Welcome to the future of mobile living, where innovation meets adventure, and the road becomes your home. Today, we're diving deep into the revolutionary 2025 Tricycle RV Camper, an extraordinary leap forward in recreational vehicle design. Stay with us as we explore every facet of this groundbreaking hybrid, from its inception and design philosophy to its cutting-edge features and the transformative impact it promises for travel enthusiasts worldwide. Imagine a vehicle that combines the agility of a tricycle, the comfort of a modern RV, and the versatility of a multi-use mobile platform. In 2025, that imagination becomes reality with the Tricycle RV Camper, a true game-changer in the world of recreational vehicles. Its sleek, futuristic design is not just about aesthetics, it's about redefining how we experience travel, explore new terrains, and connect with our environment. To understand the significance of this vehicle, we need to look back at the history of RVs. How they've evolved from simple vans to complex, luxurious motorhomes. But as the demand grew for more nimble, eco-friendly, and intelligent options, engineers and designers set out to rethink what an RV could be. The result? A compact, innovative, and highly functional vehicle built for the 21st century, introducing the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper. Powered by cutting-edge electric propulsion and advanced stability systems, the Tricycle RV isn't just about mobility, it's about agility, safety, and sustainability. Whether you're navigating city streets, tackling rugged off-road paths, or cruising along coastal highways, this vehicle is engineered to perform with precision, comfort, and style. Step inside, and you'll discover a thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes space, comfort, and functionality. The Tricycle RV features a smart, modular layout, combining the coziness of a tiny home with the convenience of modern smart technology. High-quality materials, innovative storage solutions, and integrated environmental controls make every aspect of living here practical and luxurious. At the core of this vehicle is its advanced control system, powered by AI and IoT capabilities, that allows you to monitor and adjust everything from climate control to navigation, security, and energy use, all at your fingertips. Voice command integration ensures that your experience is seamless, responsive, and personalized. Flexibility is key in the Tricycle RV Camper. Its innovative modular design allows for easy expansion, think retractable awnings, fold-out decks, and attachable outdoor equipment, all tailored to your adventure needs. The compact tricycle base can transform to accommodate additional living or storage space, making it adaptable for both short getaways and long-term explorations. And let's talk about the heart of this design, the tricycle chassis. Less common than traditional four-wheel setups, the tricycle chassis offers several advantages. Its centralized single front-wheel provide